All right, welcome back, guys. Hey, I'm back with another video. Hey, today is gonna be episode 10 of the build of the 1953 Chevy panel truck, guys. Hey, and if you're not used to my channel, watching my channel, you are watching Classic Chevys with CJ the Cigar Man. And welcome, guys. I welcome all of you guys to come and join us with these awesome builds I've been doing. And this build is actually going to be episode 10 about my door panels. We're going to start building like a 3D door panel, and I'm going to wrap everything with some vinyl. I got some dark and light brown vinyl that I will be wrapping everything with, and hopefully we'll get into also laying the carpet as well. I already got the wood down in the back of the bed of the truck for this panel, and I will be putting some carpet down. We also got some real seats that we'll be putting back there too. So today I got you guys with me. Today is a good day, man. Just a lot of good material going on, and you know, I'm at the park today, guys. There's not a whole lot of stuff going on. I actually got off work and I said, you know what, they ain't no cars. It's Friday, can't go to no car shows, everything's locked down still. So I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Like I said, this is what we're going to be doing, guys. You guys are going to be going along for the ride with me, and you guys get it raw and cut and live, you know. So I just appreciate you guys showing me the love, watching my videos and stuff. That's very inspiring for me to continue making good videos and good content for you guys. So let's get into this video, and I'll catch you guys towards the end, and I hope you guys enjoy it. All right there, crew, before we get deep into this video, I just wanted to show you the regulators that I took out of a PT Cruiser. And here I'm just testing the regulator, making sure I got them on the tracks correctly. Made all my brackets and everything so it'll fit smooth. I actually used the original felt and everything. I did have to make my own brackets as far as the tracks for it to go up and down. And the only reason why it's going up a little slow is because my battery is going dead on my little charger. But these window regulators, they actually turned out really good, and every time I build a truck, I believe this is the route I'll go. Alright, so this is me trying to wrap this door panel. It's been a challenge, but yeah, for someone who did it the first time, this is about as good as I'm gonna get it, and I think I did pretty decent. Actually, this piece, the door right here, is for the door. This ain't the right piece though, but I got one that's coming. And one thing you got to remember is with that contact cement, which I'll be showing you the cement that I use later on, but once you lay it down, it's down. Don't try to pull it up, and that's why I messed up at. This is the adhesive contact cement. This is what professionals use. This is the best stuff that's on the market. Don't try to go to Home Depot and get the cheap stuff. All right, guys. Hey, I'm back. Hey, what do you guys think, man? Did I do a good job? Hey, I think the upholstery is going pretty good. That was my first time doing a full piece as far as the doors. And like I said, I already got the window regulator. I got the window regulators out of a what you call those little? It's like a little Volkswagen, a PT Cruiser. I got the window regulator, a PT Cruiser. I got electric windows in there. Hooked them up. They look fantastic. They look awesome, man. And then I built that door panel up so I can, you know, make my like a 3D look going in there. How I wrapped everything. And you know, I had a few mistakes and stuff. It's hard once you know, I use that contact cement, and once you put that contact cement down, you try to raise it up, especially with the material that I'm using. You know, it's gonna show. You know, so but that's mine. I can always go back and fix that, you know. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch me out on episode 11. Hey, don't forget to, you know, subscribe, share, and like these videos I'm putting out. It really mean a lot to me. And like I always tell people, if you got a good cigar, a fast truck, or a car, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ Man, Cigar Man out. People, you got a good cigar and a fast truck, smoke them if you got them.